Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Vivo X80 and Vivo X80 Pro. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, if you want to reset the phone or if you want to give it to someone else, you should remove the Google account from the phone. How it works, I give you a little instruction in the description below. And yeah, let's start now to reset the phone. First of all, you should power off the phone. So, and if it's completely off, then we will need two buttons for. So we will need the power button and the volume up button. Long press these both buttons until you see that here. Leave your finger first from the power button and then after from the volume down keys, from the volume up keys, I'm sorry. Okay, now you're not able anymore to use your finger to navigate here on the screen. But we can navigate with the volume keys. The volume down keys is to go down and the volume up key is to go up. Okay, and to confirm, we will need the power button. So we will need now to reset the phone, the recovery remote. So just go down with the volume down key, confirm with the power button, and the phone will start now the recovery mode. So a special menu for that at minimum. So, and now our fingerprints or our finger is working here again on the screen. So we just navigate now with the finger. So go here on clear data, confirm clear all data, tap on OK to confirm that you want to clear all data again. So the phone is clearing now all data. After tap you on return, go back with the arrow, and now you need to restart the phone. And then you need to go on OK again. And now the phone is preparing again to install the software like from the beginning. Yeah? So it feels like brand new then. So you have to choose your language and enter the Google address and so on and so on. Okay, this procedure takes maybe 1 up to 2 minutes, so don't become nervous. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao. And I wish you a very good price, by the way, yeah? If you want to reset it. Ciao.